Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDNTV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Newly appointed Acting Managing Director of the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC), Engineer Emmanuel AUDU has promised to carry out his new assignment diligently. Engineer AUDU gave the assurance shortly after having an inaugural meeting with staff of the commission at his headquarters in Port Harcourt.
Following the disengagement of Dr. Effiong Akwa as interim administrator of the NDDC last week, Engineer Emmanuel AUDU, the most senior director in the commission, was appointed acting managing director. The new NDDC helmsman immediately held an interactive meeting with management and staff of the commission at its corporate headquarters in Port Harcourt.
We are a commission set up to intervene, and we will intervene. I'm promising that I will have your back. Okay? The things that are due to you, I will fight relentlessly to bring them to you. The things you owe us to do for us, I will not let you be. You will do it. That is how it is.
Shortly after the meeting, Engineer AUDU addressed reporters, noting that under his leadership, things must be done right to enable the NDDC continue to improve on its service delivery.
We have all agreed as a people to work to better the lot of the people of the Niger Delta. And the trick is to stand for what is right over what is right.
In a recent press statement issued by the Ministry of Niger Delta Affairs, President Muhammadu Buhari is said to have nominated members of a new governing board for the NDDC, whose names will be transmitted to the National Assembly for approval. Until his appointment, Engineer AUDU, a fellow of the Nigerian Society of Engineers, was director of the Delta State Office of the NDDC. He is expected to oversee operations of the commission until a substantive board takes over the leadership mantle.
Inside the Niger Delta,